Hello everyone. Today topic is about Boolean model in information retrieval. Let's discuss it in detail. At first, we are going to discuss about the core concepts and Python implementation of Boolean model in information retrieval. So, at first to discuss, the Boolean model is a simple and widely used model in information retrieval, where we can retrieve the data from the large size data sets. The data which we want can be retrieved from the large data sets. So we can use Boolean model in a simple way so that we can retrieve the data from the large data sets. We use Boolean logics like and, or, not, XOR, like that. We use Boolean logics to retrieve documents from a collection that match user query. So, the core idea to use this Boolean implementation for information retrieval is about we can where documents and queries are represented as sets of terms, and the document is retrieved if it is satisfies the Boolean expression specified in the query. We have a query which is given from the user, so we only retrieve the documents which satisfy the query of the user, where the Boolean expression is used to retrieve the documents. So, Boolean operators. What are the operators we are going to use in Boolean operators are and, or, not, which is basic terms which we have discussed in digital electronics. We are going to use the same operations over here. And operator is used for retrieve documents containing all query terms, and or operator is used for retrieving documents containing at least one query item. Next, not exclude documents containing a specific term. So next, for example, if we take a query like data and mining, this is the query that is given from the user. So result will be documents that contain both data and mining, where which satisfies and operator. That is, a document will contain both data and mining. The word data and mining, which is given from the query, which is received as a query from the user. Okay, what are the advantages of this Boolean operators using in information retrieval? Is it is very simple and easy to implement. We can see that it is used in a simple way that we can implement it very easily using Python. So we can understand it very easily. Like it is a basic and operation or not operation. Efficient for exact matching. We can get the result in the exact manner so that we can retrieve the data which is exactly matches with the query, and widely used in search systems and databases. This is mainly used in the search systems because we can retrieve the data that matches the query. When we use the or operators and operators that is given from the user that matches with the query, and we take the data as the result. So this is the one. Okay, limitation is what is the limitations of Boolean operations, that is, does not rank results by relevance. It does not rank the results, and requires users to form precise queries. The queries that is given by the user should be precise. That cannot be sure all the time, and may return too many or too few results. We cannot expect fixed. It may be too high or too low. Python implementation overview. Implementation of this Boolean operation is very simple, so that where Python can implement the Boolean model using text processing and logical operations. Documents are stored, tokenized, and compiled with query terms. So let's discuss with the Python code example. At first, docs is the document where it contains first is data mining techniques, second one is machine learning and data science, data analysis and visualization. Now, the query that is given from the user is query is equal to data and mining. With here it is the operation is and operator, which should contain data and mining. So the terms is query, which should include data and mining. So the result will come as such in the way that the document which contain data and mining. That is the first one will come, and in second one we cannot determine data and mining in the same one, and in the third one we cannot determine in the same way. So first one will only be the solution. So the conclusion is the Boolean model forms the foundation of many search systems. Though it is simple, it is important for understanding advanced IR models.